Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to install Minecordbot. So first, what you guys have to do is go to this installation page that can be found in my GitHub. So if you guys go to Syrian, Minecordbot, and then Wiki, and then scroll down, then you can see installation here. So first, what we have to do is create a bot user. So to do that, we're going to go to the Discord page, open link on new tab, click my apps, new app, name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna name it toot 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 for some reason, and then you can add an app icon if you want, but I'm not gonna do it. Click it, and then click create a bot user. Yes, do it, and then after that you're kind of done with creating your bot user. So now we have to go back to the installation page. Don't close that tab, by the way. Now we're gonna add it to our Discord. So what we gotta do is copy this, paste it on a different tab, and then go back to the Discord page, copy the client ID, then paste it, and then change this bot ID to the one that we just copied. So the ID of your bot. Now click enter. Now if you click enter, you'll see all the permission that is required for the bot to work. Now I gotta click the server, click Syrian, well that's my server. Authorize, I'm not a robot, of course. Now storefront, which one is it? This one. And that's about it. No, that's a storefront, but it has a car. This is always tricky for me. Anyways, now, as you can see, tut tut should be here somewhere. There you go. Now, we're gonna install Minecordbot. Now, let's go to the Spigot page. Let's download. And just download folder is fine. Open that, click and drag. Close that. Now let's start the server. Of course, it's not gonna start. My Minecordbot is gonna stop the server from starting up because it's gonna generate the configuration file, and then it will show you some errors, of course. And then now let's configure it. Now open that Minecordbot resource folder, click bot config, go to the Discord page that we just opened, and then get the token, click, and then highlight this token. Now bot ID is the client ID, so I'll do that, paste that there. And then owner ID is me, so I'm just gonna copy my ID, right click, copy ID, and then paste. And you guys just can leave this to default if you guys want, and those things too, those things, but these ones you can configure now. Let's do that. So relay channels is just the default channel that, this just get relayed to. So I'm just gonna click the bot test, copy ID, and paste. And now mod channel. Now I'm gonna use test mod channel, copy ID, and paste. And then now I can close this. Now I'm gonna start the server again. Hopefully there's no errors, or else I'm a bad coder, basically. Now it's done. So those are successful. So let's open Minecraft. And then let's go to the relay channels. So as you guys can see, that's the things. Play. Tut is not working. We'll see. Multiplayer. This is my test server. And then if I join it, see that there. Syrian join the game. Now if I say something, yes, oh, god dang it. If I say test, and then it shows test, And if I type something on Discord, I'm gonna set this aside. I say hi, and then now it shows it there. And my game just crashed, but whatever, it works. And then show that I love the game. Thank you for watching, guys.